Tutorial how to register and deposit. Just follow the instructions. This new investment international platform are for risk takers only and open-minded. Invest what you can afford to lose. No to gahaman at Mainapan. Reminder, the withdrawal password are the most important. Without withdrawal password, you can't withdraw your money, so please keep it. Now, you can log in your registered number and login password. This is just an example how to deposit or buy products. First is choose your product that you want to buy. You can see here your bought product. Your daily income is directly coming to your balance. No need to set alarm to collect it. Reminder, after 24 hours, your daily income arrives to your balance. You can see here and monitor your team members. You can join on the official group and you can observe before you take a risk. If you have a problem or issue on your account, just message your concern on this group and send here your registered number to fix your problem. The minimum withdrawal amount is 100 to 20,000 pesos and this 0% tax fee. Anytime you can withdraw your money. And reminder, do not forget your withdrawal password.